In this tutorial, we are going to look at 5 of the best ways to promote your online business. While there are many marketing methods, you will have to select your model carefully and make it work for you. Every online business needs an efficient marketing campaign to promote their brand. Use Facebook ads. Facebook ads is a very effective way to promote your business. The vast majority of business owners now have a social media page, and there are paid advertising options available within platforms such as Facebook, including voice ads and sponsored stories. The power of social media can no longer be ignored. There are billions of active users on social networking sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. It is free to set up a page and reach out to an enormous global audience. Quora. Quora is a popular question and answer site. Users ask questions and then other users respond with their answers. The most popular answers typically get the highest number of upvotes. Quora is a fantastic platform to promote your business, and you can answer questions in relation to your field of work. Google Ads. Google paid advertising is a great way to get traffic to your site. The way it works is that advertisers bid on keywords with a maximum amount they are willing to pay for each click. Customers come to your site by clicking on the sponsored advertisement and then purchase the product. By understanding your conversion rate, you can set your maximum bid per keyword. Collaborations. Collaborations are when you join forces with other businesses. You can cross-promote each other's products and services, which will ensure mutual growth. For example, you could trade links on each other's blogs for an increase in traffic. This can be a quick way to increase traffic to your site, and there are a number of ways to collaborate. However, options are limited in social industries, as you don't want to promote your competitors. Meet face-to-face. Meeting face-to-face with people is still a great way to promote your business. Networking is still crucial to business success. This can be done at any time or place. Be sure to tell people about what you offer and have a business card on hand. Face-to-face meetups are the best form of marketing, though the audience is not as vast compared to online methods.